Now that one is I've just done there now for you. The other one I did, and judge yourself. See, this is the one I did. You see, very light that one. The washes are very, very light. Now this one here, I've darkened the washes. Can you see? And it's exactly the same, more or less. After Mr. Seago, he did some beautiful ones in India and that, of the, you know, the Indians on the river. So it's your choice. That one. As I said, my friend, when I first started working as an apprentice, it was very good. We did churches, of course. There was those Catholics. It was in Wigan. It was called Paget's in Wigan, if anybody remembers it. And the Paget lads there, he worked there, and his name was. I won't mention his name, but he lived in Poolstock. He was the. He did a lot of the signs for him and that, and it was very good. It was getting on a bit when I was there, but his name was Jones, a nice lad, great painter, very good artist. Well, you know, the statues in the Catholic churches, with the redone and that, made them look better. The gold leafing and all that sort of stuff. Well, they had these two pictures, and when I was in, we went in the front room for a drink, and these were on the wall. They were just plain like a blue like that, and going into another blue here. And in this middle there was a yacht, and this, oh God, they look good. And I can remember them now. There were two matching, and there was nothing there at all. Just these washes and these two yachts. By, I thought they're fantastic. So that's that one. Now look at that other one. Top of another to make a double. You know, you put that there, you cut one out, then you cut the other out smaller and stick it on at back. That's what happens. It buckles. It starts buckling. I don't know. So there's it with the white. Maybe a white one would be nicer to bring out the colour. What do you think? Just say which you think it looks the best. Which do you find for you more attractive to you? Okay. That's number one, we'll say. And that's number two I've just done for you. Is it, I wonder if a blue mount. That looks more antique, doesn't it? So it's old, getting all that. Thanks for looking in. See you all again with more of these interesting washes. Now, why is it falling down? It was higher up than that. Let me get a better view. hold it for a minute. I'll just, this is a ball joint thing here. Okay, now I'll tighten it through this ball joint. It's on an arm, you see. It's still sagging, isn't it? It's the arm that's dropping a bit. All the best, everybody. Take care, I'll see you for now. Bye bye.